So guys, everywhere in my room is currently arranged except for the floor that is dirty and my hair. So I'm gonna clean my room now. Come on guys, if you haven't seen this tutorial, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you watch that tutorial. So guys, I'm just literally showing off these black pants that I made. I have a tutorial for my palazzo pants as well, to check it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. And if it's your first time here, please do not make it your last time of seeing this beautiful face. So my channel is all about sewing tutorials, lifestyle vlogs, fashion, beauty, name it all. Except comedy. But I have a good sense of humor. But so guys, today I'm just vlogging a day in my life, kind of nothing serious in my life, because I'm always like at my mom's restaurant and I'm always sewing, so like my life is like kind of in a circle. So I just thought I should vlog it, and look what happened. My sister called me to help her check something in town, so which means it might not really be the usual circle. I might be going to help her inquire about some things, and yeah, I'm just trying to get my life together, trying to arrange my hair. I wish I could actually go out with my hair like this, like flying like this, like this is good. But I really can't, not in this country, because everyone is going to be judgmental. Everyone's going to say, oh, she's broke, or not like I care what they have to say though, but they're going to feel like it's not kept. That's everyone's opinion about flying out your natural hair. But personally, I'm a big fan of fros. I love afros. I don't even have an afro wig. I don't even know why, but I love it so much. So guys, I'm just gonna pack my hair and get ready to be going. See me losing a lot of hair. This particular braid that I made that has made me lose a lot of hair, guys. So let's see how straight my stamina is. That is the word. Okay, not so bad, not so bad. That's a good thing about using your front camera. So guys, my camera died and I'm currently vlogging with my phone because I made a tutorial last night. So I just carried camera the camera charger and the battery and the charger, so I'm going to charge it at my mom's restaurant. Sorry if the quality isn't, if the camera quality isn't given, which I know my camera is always giving. Camera cannot disappoint me. So I'm just gonna go like this. Guys, I just realized this line is not straight. It's not straight. So I rolled it up because I don't want it flying around. My hair is so fat. I haven't had time to take care of my hair like I used to before. So this to my brows. So guys, I just did a little touch up to my brows. If you can see, there's kind of difference. My face is a little bit more lifted than the first time. So I just did a little touch up and I'm using this brush, no concealer. I do this all the time, and it works for me. So guys, I'm just gonna line up my eye a little bit and just gonna apply lip gloss. So guys, I'm done. Legs up. Let's go, girl. Guys, so my mom is now going to drop me at the shop. So I don't have to fly bike anymore. So guys, mommy say hi to my channel. Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Please, everyone, subscribe to my daughter's channel.
Thank you. I'm so honored by those words, guys. It looks like I bobbed my hair. Please, I didn't. This is me. This is my hair. Hanging near me, girl. So, yeah. Let me turn on Brothers FM. I just left, so I went to make inquiries for my sister, and it's actually in my school, but my school is currently on strike, so you might not be seeing people walking around, so it feels like I'm vlogging in school or something. So the information I got prior to what we're expecting is different, guys. Different. We're not like, I wasn't even expecting to hear what these people are telling me. And not much. I can't vlog. I'm not really vlogging much because I'm done. Like, I'm done with what I came here to do. I thought it was going to be so much productive and fun. I was like going to vlog everything for you. My hair is already scattered, and that is that. So I'm just gonna like show you the environment of the place. This is just like 0.5 quarter of what my school looks like. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like, and yeah, I'll get over with the vlog. After I left that place, yeah, and I'm actually going home now. I went back to my mom's restaurant. My battery was on, I told you. So I kind of charged my phone plus I edit to the tutorial I did last night. I was editing it at the restaurant there. I don't know if you can hear me. This place is kind of noisy. So I edited the tutorial that I did last night, halfway, almost done. When I get home, hopefully I'll do this night. I'll complete it tomorrow. At least I still have enough time before I leave my next upload. And my mom came to pick me because she went to church, so she decided to come here carry me. So I like the fact that I'm not even carrying bags. My hair is not bamboo. So guys, see you when I get home. So I'm home now and I want to just make the sleeves for that corset I made there. I want to make the sleeves and I already chopped that out. So I'm currently on my work table and I don't know, I'm kind of having like this slight headache. I don't know if I can vlog the process of me making this, or I don't even know if I'll be able to make it today. I might just make it first thing in the morning before going to my mom's restaurant again. I don't know guys, I'm just trying. I'm really tired. I just want to sleep. But I have to be consistent on YouTube, so I have to do this. Yes, I have to do this because I have to be consistent on YouTube, and you guys are going to support me. So there, I'm giving you all this kind of content, teaching you all. You guys are not paying a dime. All I ask is to please share my videos and subscribe. Hi guys. So I actually wish I vlogged this day. So much productive stuff going for makeup. So guys, I decided to add a few clips from the next day because I went for a makeup shoot, and you can see me slaying free makeup, free hair, and for the top I made it from one of Vivian Okeke's tutorial. And yeah guys, since I didn't do a proper outro video, I just thought I'll bombard you with cute pictures of myself. So thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you leave a love, like, comments. See you all in my next video, and don't forget to send us your request on whatever tutorial you want to see from us. Bye.